It's Pop Explosion, everybody. Let's go ahead and light the fuse and see what pops out and explodes out of this break in Pop Explosion. So we have our odor list. It's just good things. We're going to randomize this list and then randomize the first name letters. Here we go, 7 times a piece. And match things up side by side and see who gets what first name letter. A little bit different from usual. This is the first name that appears on the box. If it's the Incredible Hulk, or if something, it's the first name that appears. Here we go. Lucky number 7. If it is Iron Man, it's going to go to letter I. Thanks for coming by, Big B. See you tomorrow, man. Hope you can make it by. See you soon. We're going to get some big hits. Tomorrow, a wonderful release day. Here we go, 7 times. Six. Lucky number 7. Somebody about to come away with something really neat in the rip. Feel free to make a trade. In this 2-box break of Pop Explosion. All right, here we go. The first big hit out of the 2-box break is Monster High Laguna Blue. That is the letter L. Congratulations to you, Brian N., with a Laguna Blue. That's right. It's a Laguna Blue. I don't see any autograph on this one or anything that designates it as being a show exclusive of some kind. But all these are extremely collectible and everything. Let's see what happens in the next one. Let's see if we hit an autograph. Let's hit a show special. Let's pull one of the rare ones. Hit something really hard to find. Here we go in Pop Explosion. The next big hit is boom, 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 boom. This is a Ghostbusters movie. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Glows in the dark Funko. Letter R owner. You've pulled a really neat one right here. Chad C. This is an exclusive. And so some of these can be really hard to find. And so collectors will go to great lengths to find some of the exclusive ones. And this is from Ghostbusters. For letter R owner, congratulations, Chad, in the rip of Pop Funko. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Big hits. Congratulations coming out in Pop Funko Explosion for Chad C.